y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to a hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023, Vlogtober day 20th. Yay, 20th day of Vlogtober, yay! Okay, Halloween's getting closer, guys. So, I told you I probably wouldn't make a video last night, and I didn't, but I did put the movie in the community tab if you looked. But my daughter, my daughter gets things confused sometimes, so apparently the doctor told her at her visit that there was still infection and that they were so what they did was they took it out, the hardware that had been put in, they took it out and they cultured it, and because it has healed some, she can walk in the boot on it without the hardware, but it's not going to heal the way it needs to until they get rid of the infection. And then even then there might be so much damage done that the best case scenario the worst case, he sees the worst case scenario being that because once they culture it and figure out how to treat the infection she has, they'll treat her, and then she'll go back, they'll test her for infection again, and then she'll go and have new hardware put in. And he said worst case scenario that he sees happening is that there's too much damage done after all this, and that he will have to fuse it, and she won't have any mobility. That is not great, but my thing is if they get rid of the infection, because I'm worried about her leg, So anyway, that's what happened. So it was only like an hour and a half her surgery was, but it took all day, and I was so exhausted when I got home. LJ was on his way to work, so yeah. But night before last, we watched Room for Rent.
Oh, yeah.
And I couldn't figure out, it was beyond me what I was gonna make for the square. And then what was the cat's name? Binks?
Boodles.
Boodles. So if you watch the movie, you know that the old lady had a cat named Boodles. And so that's what I made, was a cat's face. I loved the movie except for the end. That end messed me up. It needed a different ending. But other than that, like, that old lady, she's just pretty scary. I do like how this came out. If I remember, I will link the tutorial to the applique. I didn't put eyes or a muzzle or nothing on it because you can tell by the shape what it is. And, well, she had safety eyes on hers, but I don't want safety eyes on my blanket. And so I just thought, well, why not just the outline of a black cat's face without the facial features? So, anyway, what did you think of the movie, babe?
I really liked it. It was different. It was kind of hard to watch, though, because there's a lot of meanness on that movie.
Yes, and you feel really bad for the lady, and then you get to, I don't know, you feel bad for her, and then sometimes you don't feel so bad for her, and in the end, she's crazy. So, yeah, it leaves you wondering about a lot of things, which I kind of like about that, but the ending was just, it needed a more finalization, like.
Yeah, I agree. It could have had a better ending.
But yeah, it was a good movie. And then last night, I had posted in the community tab that we were watching Ginger Snaps. Now, I have 2 nieces and a nephew that are gingers, and a sister that's a ginger. So, yeah, I didn't know what this movie is about. I thought it'd be about a bunch of gingers snapping and going crazy. And apparently, it was a take on werewolves, which was, that was not bad. A few things could have been left out. It didn't have to go there. But, nothing really bad, and it ended up being a kind of a good movie. And, it led into, there's a second one, and it led into the second, I think it leads up into the second one, and so I'm gonna try to watch the second one sometime. Maybe LJ's gotta watch the first one. You know what I mean. So, werewolves become werewolves in the full moon, and so I made a full moon, and I made it silver because silver kills werewolves.
Oh, that's pretty clever.
So yeah, so there's that. There's my square for that.
Creative.
What have y'all been up to? What have you been making? Inquiring minds want to know. And hopefully tomorrow it'll be a better video. I was supposed to go to a vendor event at a dispensary today, but honestly, yesterday took a lot out of me, and then today, when the vendor event was supposed to be happening, it was going to be very, very hot, and I just couldn't sit out there because it was outside, and I couldn't sit outside in that heat and be as run down as I was. So tonight, that's why I'm doing the video now. Tonight, we are going to my daughter's, and her fiance is making enchiladas, because Rihanna's leg, she can walk in it in the boot, but the first few days, because she had a nerve block, they said for her not to walk on it, because she wouldn't be able to feel as good as she's supposed to, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to post some pictures of a truck that we saw. I guess it was made up for Halloween because it had the Ghostbusters emblem on each side of the truck's doors. And then it had this thing that looked like it had Proton packs, and it said radioactive, and in the back. So I'm going to put the pictures and see if y'all can kind of tell what it is. But, okay, let's see what movie me and LJ are going to watch tonight when we get home from my daughter's. We're going to have enchiladas. Nightbreed on Tubi. So the movie for tonight is Nightbreed. Okay, so I think that's about all. Stay spooky. And tomorrow, hopefully, I'll be more talky and have the square done. I didn't think I was going to have those squares done, but I did get them done just a little bit before this. So, yay me. Okay, stay spooky, and I love y'all. Remember, if you want, watch the pictures in the after the video to see that truck. Bye. Okay, so I forgot my gift swap with Cindy, and not because she's not important, but because since yesterday I've been in a brain fog. If y'all have been around my channel, you know that trips and stuff, I get real sore and tired, and yesterday was a very long day for me. So number 9. Let's see what number 9 is.
Number 9. Number 9.
It's a rubber bat. The cats will love that. I should put it on a stick or something and play with the cats with it, huh? They'll love that. Oh, I love it, Cindy. I didn't see one at ours like that. Aw, hey there. I love rubber bats. His face, look at him. He looks terrified. He's like, ah! Okay, so thank you. I love that. And now number 10. Let's see what number 10 is.
I used to have a toy dinosaur that had a mouth like that. I used to feed it stuff.
Don't feed my bat. I think I am gonna. No, they'll tear him up. I just gotta find a place to hang him.
We got a place.
What is this? Oh, it's one of those that you hang on your door that has those little witchy legs. Yeah, we have to hang that up high. We can't hang it on doorknobs because I've got 2 dogs that will chew it. But yes, that is so cute. I could even make something out of this. Huh. But adorable. And I'm going to hang it up in my room. Thank you, Cindy. I love this bat. Just his expression. Ah! I'm dying. Anyway. Okay, that's enough. I told you I'm a little today. Mwah.